So here we are in Key West at the southernmost point in the continental US. The waves, the winds is crashing it up there, kind of flooding the area. That's why most people are standing off to the side, not going close to it. So you gotta get your picture quick. It's windy. How you doing, Angela?
I'm good.
All right, we're gonna explore Key West today and share a little bit with you too. Okay, here we are at the southernmost Key West cafe and beach. Now, this is a little unusual to be this windy. Nobody's out here because the waves are coming up pretty far. Ooh, yeah. That water does not look turquoise. We will see turquoise water though. We are starting on one end of Duval Street, the ocean side. We're gonna head on down all the way and explore. By the way, Angela and I took an Uber from our campground, which was not 1,000 Trails Encore 1, Boyd's. About 5 or 6 miles, like 20 bucks on an Uber. So that's how we got here for the day. We're gonna see a lot of chickens here in Key West. So Key West is a little like New Orleans and Vegas. You can drink down here open, but you have to keep it in the bag while you're drinking out of it, and you can only drink in public on Duval Street in Key West, so you can't go like a street over or something. So a little different rules, but yeah, it's kind of cool. Just drinking from a paper bag in public. A couple of bums here. Get your Key West cigars here. I think it'd be the big wooden versions of them. $5 coconuts. This cool converted old movie theater marquee. Walgreens. Too bad I didn't bring a Nomadic Fanatic sticker. Could add it to the collection of, holy cow, look at all those $1 bills. Ooh. Oh man. The Whistle Bar. There's some really old architecture here in Key West. There's still lots of live music and stuff going on in Key West. They do have trains, just like St. Augustine, for tours, but I kind of prefer the old walking version instead. Sloppy Joe's. Sandbar Sports Grill, 64 draft beers. Yeah, it says best pizza in town. Let's try it. I know I'm wearing my Dilly Dilly Bud Light shirt, but I'm trying some local. This is the Key Billy Key Lime Lager from Key West. And it's yummy. What'd you get?
Citrus ale.
Citrus ale. You good? Good. We're gonna snack here, enjoy the air conditioning for a little bit, and then we'll head on down, finish. Bar pizza. It's comfort food. Did you have something pressing to say? You've been being loud this whole time. Now you're gonna be quiet? All right. By the way, no alarm clock needed at Boyd's RV Resort. The roosters will wake you up before the sun comes up. Yeah, so no alarm clock needed there. So we got Wet Willie's and the smallest bar. How small it is. It's awesome. All right, well, we have made it to the end of, well, one side of Duval Street in Key West. Let's go check out the water. Like the other day, today is not beautiful blue sky, but there is blue in the sky. And I don't know if you can see the turquoise teal tint of water. It looks very nice. I love it. I'm gonna go swimming. The reason I didn't make any snorkeling reservations this trip is because the weather's going to turn on the way up when we go through John Penny Camp. So we'll just play it by ear when we leave Key West in a couple days. Right now we're doing Key West. Yeah. So you might remember several years ago, 3 or 4 years ago, I was here in Key West for my first time trying to boondock and it didn't work out. Well, I had to leave Key West before the Mallory Square sunset stuff happened. So today we're going to come back here. This is the end, like the water side of Mallory Square. So we'll come back, but we got some other activities we want to do, so we'll keep walking around and see what we can find. That's my superpower, clearly. Bo's Fish Wagon. Check out this old truck full of stickers. You know, speaking of stickers, people were asking me about my stickers. I don't know if you've noticed, but in the video description, my new Nomadic Fanatic full color vinyl outdoor UV stickers, those are back available. I don't have the old ones to include like I did around Christmas or November time, but if you want some Nomadic Fanatic stickers, help support the channel, there's a link, PayPal in the video description. $6 for 2 of them, shipped internationally. Get yours now while I have them, and I will ship those out personally. So we're gonna leave Duval Street real quick. Are you drinking a Bud Light?
No.
Thanks. Ernie and Kelly, the ones who took me out to lunch in Fort Lauderdale dinner, told us about going up here to Dante's, so we're gonna go check out Dante's. All right, we have arrived at Dante's up here. Poolside bar, some music, right on the ocean. Yeah, I think we can make this work for a little bit. A little windy here. This is my first poolside bar. Didn't know this was a thing. I kind of like it. We got our toes in the water here. Dilly dilly. All right, fun little stop. We're gonna head back to Mallory Square and see if we can get into a rum distillery here in Key West. Oh yeah, the Party Cat. Lots of rentals available. I kind of like the boardwalk trail a lot better than just walking the roads though. Awesome view of that water down there. Oh yeah. Okay, these guys are doing it right. They're in a like mobile tiki bar with a dog leading the way. You got the right idea. I like that. See, even the gators in Key West drink. Yeah. All right, I don't know the history behind it, but Key West first legal rum distillery. So we'll go check this out. We got tickets to the tour later, but in the meantime, there's some taste testing. Oh man! Hang on.
This was the second bottling plant that Coca-Cola built in the United States after Atlanta. Built it in 1903. My boss actually excavated some of those bottles out from under the floor. You wonder why Key West in 1903. Word had gotten back to Coke that the celebratory drink in Cuba, El Libre, was being made with rum and honey. It soon became rum and Coke. What we are here, guys, is a true craft distillery. We are not trying to do a lot of rum. We're doing some very special rum. And it all boils down to several of the unique things that we do in this room. And it starts and ends with our main ingredient, Demerara sugar. We do not use molasses in our rum. Demerara is the true first pressing of the sugar cane in a crystallized form. This sugar gives us two major advantages right off the bat. A much different flavor set than a molasses-based rum, but secondly and most importantly, by using this sugar, we can come off our last still at a much lower proof and hang on to many of rum's flavors, which are usually burnt off in the distilling phase. And now you all have a decision to make also, because at this point of the tour, I can give anyone wearing their beautiful barrel decal a taste of high proof, unflavored rum. Would anyone like a taste? This is sitting at 152. What you are tasting right now, guys, is called the true power of the spirit. Anything over 120.
Ow, it burns.
This is 152.
Before the sun sets and we head to Mallory Square, there's one more stop we both want to make as cat owners, and that is Hemingway's Cat Museum, the polydactyl thumb kitties. Wow, what big thumbs you have.
He does.
That's your thumbs? Oh my, okay.
A bit of warning, you'll notice the president's wearing a purple collar. Cats who wear purple collars have been known
Royalty.
to bite.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just thought I'd let you know.
Okay.
Good job,
Right.
the president bites.
Carry on, dude. So in case you don't know, this museum is full of polydactyl cats, which Jax is, which means they all have extra thumbs, extra toes, at least one extra toe. I don't want to bug them too much because this guy's chilling eating some grass. But they all got those extra appendages. That is called polydactyl, and that is what Jax is. And I don't know how many there really are. but they do have a lot. Hi to you. Like your thumbs. You've got nice thumbs. Your thumbses. We're looking at your thumbs. That's what's unique. I still like kitties, but you know, I like polydactyls better. All right, good boy. Bye-bye. We'll actually link a video up top if you want to see my last visit here to the museum some 3.5 years ago where I showed you the inside today. I just want to give the kitties some love. Oh my goodness, look at your thumbs. No polydactyls using the kiddie pool. Get it? Kiddie pool. Who's it go, boy? I can has Billy. I can has Billy. I don't get Billy. You don't trust me? I just want some. Oh, he doesn't want Billy. Okay. All right. Hey there, Mr. Six Toes. How you doing? Yeah, you smealing? Smealing my can. We can see your thumbs. We can definitely see your thumbs. Okay. If you get in trouble, you go to the cat house. Mm-hmm. You like head scratches? Oh, you do? Okay. Do you like thumb scratches? I can't? Okay. Sorry. There are some 70 cats here at Hemingway House in Key West. So do you think it's safe to reach a hand into this cat house here? Can I have a tail? Are you sharing? Can I have this tail? You weren't using it. You want to come out? Get some free pets? No? Okay. Sleep good. Get a load of those thumbs, guys. These are huge. Can I touch? They said I could pet the thumbs. They said I could. Oh, okay. Okay, can I pet this? Oh, I can't? Oh, you want the belly? You want the belly? Oh, you don't want the belly? You kind of advertise like you wanted it. He doesn't want it? Look at those thumbs, though. What a good boy. What a good boy. All right, man. Chillax. Whew, he bites. Oh, my gosh. There's kitties everywhere. Hey, Orange Tabby. Hi, Mister. Oh, big cat stretches. And is it cat nap time? Do you get tired of people petting you all the time? It's like your whole life. Everybody, just non-stop pets and chin scratches. Yeah, man. Life is rough, kitty. All right, take care. At least there's lots of benches you can just sit here and be by yourself. Oh, this is my cat buddy. He's chilling on the bench, too. If you like cats, you gotta come to Hemingway House. It's a lot of fun. It really is. Wait a minute. Hey, you! Are you being a fence dweller? Can I pet? Is it safe? Okay, just let me know if it's not. Okay, it's safe. Oh, okay. What's this? This looks like cat kennels. Is this cat prison? Is that where the bad kitties go? Mm-hmm. Have a good day, man. You kind of gotta look for them. They're hidden all over the place. Like this guy right here. Ooh, I like your coloring. You're handsome. Nice paws. I like those thumbs. Oh, man. Maybe my retirement plan. I could retire here with the kitties. Yeah, with the kitties. Oh, the kitties. Meow, yeah, the kitties. All right, it's getting close to sunset time, so I'll meet up with Angela and we'll go head to Mallory Square. Hey, what street do you think we should take, Angela?
The best one?
Okay, we'll go ahead and take this one. All right, guys, here we are, the end of Highway 1, Mile 0 in Key West. You'll remember this summer we were on Highway 1 up in Maine, up Bar Harbor and Acadia National Park. This is where it all ends here in Key West, the same highway all the way down. Sharky, she's got me by the dingle-doo. It's a hammerhead. Yeah. There's some kind of strange monument here to picking up barrels from the sea. There's no title or anything, but they're doing sea barrel stuff. Yeah. So we went and checked out Mallory Square. It's not quite happening yet. So in the meantime, we found Hog's Breath, established 1976. I think that was yours.
I know what it's all about. You gotta play music that people understand and can sing to.
You're all fancy with your cup for your beer.
Why is it getting faster? Together, come on, people.
one happy puppy there.
You should have recycled.
Come on, I got it. Come on, get everything. Everybody clap for me. It is a good show. I got a good review on Yelp. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am good. I've seen this before. I know I'm good. You guys just gotta believe me. I'm working with a real tough crowd. I'm going to do some things that nobody else in the world is dumb enough to try. You people are sick. You're really gonna let me do that? No, I'm gonna do it. Here we go. Everybody watch. I'm gonna eat the fire. Woo! The crowd goes mild. You better clap for this. I burnt my mouth on the coffee already. 1, 2.
Oh.
No, it's not enough. I'm going home. That's it. Show's over. Go watch something else.
And good morning, guys. Key West worked really well. It was nice having the Uber to get around. Hey, it's a mini-me. It's got the Chevy 4 Winds instead of Tioga. So we got to pack out, and today we got to leave. I want to show you the other end of this campground real quick, though. So my site back there is $160 a night. I don't know how much these are, but they all have like waterfront and their own little private docks out to the water. So I think this is the nicer area to camp, but I'm afraid to ask how much it might cost. Anyway, I got to get Angela back to the airport. I'm kind of sad about that. This was just kind of a chance for us to meet up and catch back up, and there will be some more updates later to come. But yeah, Key West, here comes the rain. All right, well, Jackson and I will see you from somewhere on down the road here soon, guys. Bye-bye.